How to download older version of applications on your Android phone. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your preferred browser, then search for APK Pure. Tap on this first link. Then on this search bar, you can search whatever app you want. For example, let me show you by downloading an older version of Instagram. Then tap on that and then tap on download APK. Close this ad. Here you have various variants of Instagram, and then you can select which one is viable for you and simply tap on download. Tap on download anyway and your file will be ready to download. After the file is downloaded, simply install it to your device and you will be done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.